National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Greene County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 9 a.m. At 6:08 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain has fallen in the past hour, with around 2.5 inches in the Dayton area. Another 1 to 2 inches of rain is expected. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Edgerton, Evansville, Brooklyn, Monticello, and New Glarus. The Dayton area received about 5 inches of rain yesterday and 2 totals on radar in the 7-inch range. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, as well as farmland along the banks of creeks and streams.